Bind us together, Lord, bind us together. God's academy broken. Bind us. The book of Psalms, chapter 60, verses 1 to 2. The pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of. Good morning everyone. Today's Carmel News is read by Advait Rajesh of class 2B. Today Carmel School is celebrating Children's Day. KG 192 classes are having Holy God, Holy Mighty One, Holy Immortal One, Almas Leonas.
Exactly. Today is Children's Day. To celebrate this day, we have a special speech prepared by our student's Prime Minister, Abel Sibi of Class 7.
Teachers and my dear friends, today I stand for you to share our vision of India in 2030. By the time when India reaches 2030, what will be the developments? What will we reach? It's not just a mere and treat everyone with dignity and respect. By 2030, I dream that their gender equality and social justice are not just mere dreams, but rather realities. I envision a society where each and everyone, regardless of their gender, caste, religion, or economical backgrounds, has the right
തട്ടിയപ്പം നെറ്റിയുടുന്നു, നെറ്റിയുള്ള പൂക്കളെ പൊട്ടി വിരിഞ്ഞു. There was a peacock in the jungle. It danced happily on rainy days. One day it heard a nightingale singing nearby. The peacock said, "Wow, what a sweet noise nightingale has. Let me sing along with her." But he realized ബുദ്ധിമാനായ മുയൽ. ഒരു കാട്ടിൽ ഒരു സിംഹം പാർത്തിരുന്നു. അവൻ എല്ലാ മൃഗങ്ങളും കൊണ്ടുവന്നു. കഥയുടെ പേര് പാത്തു പശു മാമുട്ടിയും. അടുത്ത കണ്ടൊരു ഗ്രാമത്തിൽ ഒരു കുട്ടിയുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ആ കുട്ടിയുടെ പേര് അപ്പു എന്നായിരുന്നു. അപ്പുവിന് ഒരു പശു. Look at yourself. You have a beautiful body with beautiful feathers. You have a beautiful body. You have beautiful feathers.
Good morning everyone. I am Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I am the first Prime Minister of India. I love children very much. Children call me Chachaji. My favorite flower is rose. Thank you. Jai Hind.